frequently find myself dreaming about the future. I love setting goals and picturing what my life could look like someday, but it seems like every single day I have to remind myself that life isn't happening in the future. It's happening right now.
We're beautiful creatures. Then why do we need it? We'll fall into pieces. Fly like lights, how like moon. Should be fine, said we're very true. But I know it's alright.
I'm sure you've heard the phrase, live every day as if it's your last. I think we do ourselves a disservice when we take this to mean that every day should be full of skydiving and swimming with sharks and traveling the world. I think it should mean that every single mundane task, every human interaction, every beautiful sight or smell or sound becomes a gift that is genuinely cherished. The clips in this video so far are a highlight reel, nothing more. It's just the most visually captivating things I could capture on my camera over an entire year. But a lot of the things that I'll remember most about this year are a lot more simple, a lot less extravagant.
Oh, it's great to see you, man. Yeah, that's gonna be so funny.
Oh, thanks. I missed you too. It's good to see you.
See you.
Man. Feels really good to be back.
Oh, yeah. Dumping everything illegal right over there. Bye. That's not good.
It's the one I can taste it.
Oh, what? I was like, he'll be wearing black. Oh, that's awesome.